Have you ever been told bone broth is the ultimate cure for aging? Many people believe it's the one magic food that can heal everything. But here's the surprising truth. While bone broth does have some benefits, there are other foods that do far more for rebuilding muscle and fighting sarcopenia after 60. And the best part? They're not exotic powders or expensive supplements. They're simple, everyday foods you can find in your local grocery store right now. Hi, I'm Dr. Evelyn Grace. For over 20 years, I've worked with seniors who come to me worried about weakness, stiffness, and the slow loss of independence. Many of them tell me, "Doctor, I just don't feel as strong as I used to. Even small things like getting out of a chair or carrying groceries are harder." If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. What you're feeling is sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle that accelerates after 60. But here's the hopeful truth. Your muscles never lose that respond to the right nutrition. Even in your 70s, 80s, or beyond, your body can rebuild tissue, restore strength, and wake up muscle that feels asleep. So let's talk about the first food that truly outshines bone broth, cottage cheese. If this came in a shiny bottle labeled anti-sarcopenia formula, it would probably sell for a fortune. But instead it sits quietly in the dairy aisle, often overlooked. What makes cottage cheese so powerful is a special protein called casein. Unlike whey, which digests quickly, casein digests slowly and steadily, releasing amino acids for 6 to 8 hours. Think of it like setting up a slow, steady IV drip of nutrition for your muscles while you sleep. Here's why that matters. If you go to bed without protein, your body runs out of fuel after a couple of hours and starts breaking down its own muscle tissue for energy. But when you eat cottage cheese before bed, your muscles get a steady supply of building blocks all night long. Instead of losing muscle, you actually rebuild it while you sleep. One of my patients, Harold, 74, replaced his late-night snack with half a cup of cottage cheese. Within weeks, he told me, "Doctor, I don't wake up feeling as stiff. I feel stronger in the morning." That's the power of slow-release protein. And the benefits don't stop at protein. Cottage cheese also provides calcium for bones, B vitamins for energy, and tryptophan, an amino acid that promotes deep restorative sleep. So not only are you feeding your muscles, you're improving sleep and recovery at the same time. If you don't like the plain taste, there are simple ways to enjoy it. Stir in blueberries for antioxidants, sprinkle cinnamon for flavor, or add flaxseed for extra omega-3s and fiber. Some of my patients prefer it savory, mixing in chopped tomato and black pepper. However you like it, half a cup before bed may be one of the simplest, most powerful habits you can add to your routine. Now, cottage cheese may surprise you, but here comes another overlooked powerhouse, lentils. These tiny legumes have been eaten for centuries around the world, but in the West, they're often dismissed as boring. That couldn't be further from the truth. Lentils are absolute nutrition powerhouses for seniors. One cooked cup delivers about 18 grams of protein. That's 3 times more protein than a single egg. But it's not just about protein. Lentils are packed with iron to deliver oxygen to muscles, potassium, and magnesium to keep contractions steady and prevent cramps, and fiber to stabilize blood sugar. That last point is especially important. Many seniors struggle with unstable blood sugar, spikes and crashes that not only sap energy but also accelerate muscle breakdown. Lentils, with their slow digesting carbs and protein, give you steady fuel all day. That means more energy, better recovery, and fewer afternoon crashes. For my patient Margaret, 68, lentils were a game changer. She started adding them to soups twice a week. She told me, "Doctor, I don't get those afternoon slumps anymore. I feel more steady on my feet." And that's exactly what happens when you fuel muscles consistently. Lentils are also soft, easy to chew, and gentle on digestion, which makes them perfect for seniors with dental issues or reduced appetite. Plus, they're one of the most affordable protein sources available. A single bag can last weeks. Here's your micro hook. If you think these foods are helpful, wait until you hear about the next one. It's tiny, inexpensive, and comes in a can. But it contains protein, omega-3s, calcium, and even natural collagen, all in one bite. And chances are you're not eating it. The next food might surprise you. Sardines. Yes, those little fish in a can that many people overlook. But don't be fooled by their size. A single tin gives you over 20 grams of high-quality protein plus omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and keep joints moving smoothly. And here's the real secret. Unlike most fish, sardines are eaten whole, bones and skin included. That means you're getting calcium for strong bones and natural collagen for healthy joints and connective tissue. It's like a full-body repair kit in one inexpensive, ready-to-eat food. Open the can, squeeze a little lemon on top, and you have instant muscle fuel. Another everyday powerhouse is plain Greek yogurt. Unlike cottage cheese, which digests slowly, Greek yogurt is rich in fast-digesting whey protein. That makes it perfect after light activity, gardening, walking, or even stretching, because your muscles are ready to soak up nutrients. Add berries for antioxidants, nuts for healthy fats, or chia seeds for extra fiber and omega-3s, and you've turned it into a complete recovery meal in a bowl. It's affordable, versatile, and gentle on digestion. Of course, we can't forget eggs. For years, eggs had a bad reputation because of cholesterol, but science now shows they're one of the most complete proteins you can eat. Each egg delivers all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need, plus vitamin D for bone health and choline for brain function. Quick to cook, easy to digest, and budget-friendly, eggs are a perfect daily foundation food. Then there's tuna, one of the most practical ways to get lean protein and omega-3 fats. Just one can provides your muscles with the amino acids they need, plus the healthy fats that keep joints and circulation strong. It's a pantry staple I recommend because it's quick, affordable, and effective. Finally, a food that feels almost too simple: peanut butter. Natural peanut butter provides plant protein, healthy fats, and calorie density in just a spoonful. For seniors who struggle with appetite or unintentional weight loss, it's a muscle-saving secret weapon. Spread it on whole grain toast, stir it into oatmeal, or pair it with fruit for a satisfying snack that supports strength. So here's the takeaway. Bone broth has its place. But when it comes to truly fighting sarcopenia after 60, these everyday foods, cottage cheese, lentils, sardines, Greek yogurt, eggs, tuna, and peanut butter, do more to keep your muscles strong, your bones steady, and your body independent. Your best years aren't behind you. With the right nutrition, your muscles can still respond, rebuild, and carry you forward. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for weekly videos on senior health and nutrition. And let me know in the comments, which of these foods do you already eat, and which one will you add this week?